What's going on, guys? Dr. Real Estate coming at you from an upcoming glorious spring market. There is no inventory here in Clifton, but this guy brought us this. What do we got, Fidel?
Well, guys, we have my newest listing here at 66 Lockwood Place in Clifton, New Jersey. It's an oversized bi-level that features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. So come on inside, let's take a look. Thank you guys for taking this home tour with me today. This is a perfect backyard to entertain your guests. So to book your private showing, send me a text message or give me a call.